So today our topic is plants and animals in hot countries. Okay, that how
Ma'am,
plants
we have
and
to
animals.
write.
Ayan Khan, अब ये क्वेश्चन पूछा ना. Okay, so you don't have to write anything. Don't ask the same question again and again. Okay, so today we will learn that how plants and animals survive in hot countries where there is not enough water, where there is no shade, and the areas which are very hot. Okay. Okay. Are you listening to me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me.
Animals which live in hot area and they survive without water
Very
or
good. Bella.
anything.
Okay, so
Food
tell
or
me
that.
in deserts.
The
Okay.
desert,
Yes.
camel,
How in deserts,
scorpion,
how
snake.
plants and animals
I know everything about her. Like
anyone knows the answer to this question? In desert, how
No.
plants and animals living is difficult. Who can tell me?
Maybe.
Class, anyone knows the answer? No one knows the answer? Any idea?
No. Ma'am, can you tell again?
Sila, what are you doing? Do you have your tablet or phone? Leave it.
No.
Look at the board. Okay,
I don't have. I have a pencil.
Okay, tell me in desert how
Ma'am,
plants and
can
animals
someone hear
living
me?
is difficult.
Book. And book.
Okay. So desert is the place where there is no food, where there is no water, there is no rain. Okay, there is only sand and sand. Okay. Do you know what is desert?
Tons of sand.
Yes. Okay. बेटा सबको समझ आ रही है या नहीं आ रही है?
Yes.
Okay. So in deserts, how plants and animals living is difficult. How? Because there is no water,
No water.
no shade.
To drink.
Yes, no shade, and it is hot.
No. Very hot.
Yes.
It's so hot. You need an umbrella, but the umbrella will be.
Plants and animals can't use umbrella. We are talking about plants and animals, okay? So in deserts,
In the desert, there is a palm trees.
there is no water, there is no shade, and it is very hot. Okay?
In the desert, there is cactus.
Yes, there is cactus because it can survive in those conditions. Okay? Without
It
enough
needs
water,
to be hot.
it can store water. Cactus can store water. That's why it can survive in desert areas.
But
Palm
you
trees,
cannot drink water from it because it's too spiky. It will hurt you and poke you.
yes.
Poke. It is thorn.
Yes, it has a lot of thorns. Okay, and the other plant is palm tree. Palm tree can also survive in the deserts because it can store water.
Ma'am, I say palm tree. Palm tree is also in ocean, in island.
Yes, they are.
And there's coconut on it. Coconut.
Palm trees have thick skins that protect
And I don't have it broke from
them
me.
from sun. Okay, now class, how palm trees can survive? Survive का मतलब होता है रहना, जिंदा रहना. Okay, so how palm trees can survive in the deserts? Palm trees can survive in the deserts because they have thick skins that protect them from sun. Okay, क्योंकि have you ever seen the palm tree? If you haven't, then you can Google it. Palm trees have thick skin. They have thick stems, right? Stem का मतलब पता है?
Yes.
Do you know the meaning of stem, right? Yes.
Though when leaves are on it or fruits are hanging from it like this.
Yes. Yes. No, those are the branches. Stem is the part, vertical part from the ground that is holding the whole plant or tree. Okay. So their stems and or their skins are thick that protect them from sun. Okay. They have thick skins, therefore the thick skins protect them from the harmful rays of the sun. That's why they can live there in deserts without enough water and without enough shade. Okay.
Am I a palm tree holding it?
Okay, now I have a question for you. The question is how plants can stop water from being lost from their leaves. Tell me, anyone knows how plants can stop water from being lost from their leaves? Tell me.
And it doesn't rain in the desert. It never rains, only sunshine and very hot.
But plants need water as well for their growth. So how they store water in them when there is no rain? Tell me.
In cactuses, I do not
Cactus
know.
is a plant.
Who is doing that?
Someone who
I
wants to
think
slap
I
very
am
badly.
Play-Doh, like that something name. Oh my god! Oh, I am so message to everyone. He said, I am sad.
Who is this?
I am sad. Why are you sad, Ayan Khan?
Who is doing this? Raise this from the board. Hurry up.
Who wrote this?
Who did
Play-Doh person. Play-Doh monster. Who wrote this? Did you, Play-Doh person? I am crying. Why is Yansha crying?
Class, who is this? Who is doing this? Raise this.
Who is doing this? Yansha. I saw him right.
That in desert, plants and animals face some difficulties because there is no water. The first reason is everyone listen to me. There is no water, there is no shade, and it is very hot. Okay. Now, cactus and palm trees have thick skins that protect them from sun.
From the
Because
sun.
they have thick skins, they have thick stems. That's why sunlight don't harm them and they can survive. वो जिंदा रह लेते हैं in deserts, गर्म जगहों पे. Okay.
And also sand. If you touch the sand, it will be very hot.
Very hot. Yes, sand is always very hot. It absorbs the sunlight. Okay. Now the next question is how plants can stop water from being lost from their leaves. Because plants have the ability, they have the sense. So they store water in their leaves, stems or roots. कहाँ store करते हैं पानी? In their stems, leaves. Sila, what are you doing? Anishal. Because they store water in their leaves, stems, roots.
Leaves.
Yes, in dry conditions, and then they use that water from time to time. Okay.